Extraction of reactive metals. The reactive metals are the metals found closer to the top of the reactivity series. So here we have this grouping: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium. Now, extraction of these metals is a little bit difficult. It is difficult because the metals will hold on to the anions that they formed compounds with. Okay, so reactive metals are difficult to extract because they hold on to the elements they are combined with. For example, when you want to extract sodium from rock salt, it is very difficult because the sodium combines with chlorine to form sodium chloride, which is difficult to separate. But how are they separated? They are separated using electrolysis. Now, the separation of ions in sodium chloride is done using electrolysis of the molten purified ore. First of all, you're going to purify it. You're going to get all dirt out of it, therefore, so that you can have pure sodium chloride. Now, you use sodium chloride in the molten form. You melt the sodium chloride. You don't use water. If you use water, you have a sodium chloride solution. But this time around, you are going to melt the sodium chloride into a molten form. And then you put your electrodes in there. Your anode, since it attracts the negative, and the cathode, since it attracts the positive. Now, the reactive metal will be formed on the cathode, and at the anode, the non-metal will be formed. So here, if you put the electrodes in and then you connect, the cations, which are the sodium ions, will go there, will receive electrons, and then the sodium will be formed. So here we are going to get sodium, because once sodium receives an electron, it ceases to be sodium ion, but now pure sodium. Chlorine will also go there, and then will give out the electron, and then the chlorine will be released as gas. So by electrolysis, we are going to be able to separate a metal from a non-metal.